All right. So we are here. This guy looking shocked at his computer. But we're here to review, to unbox this thingy-mabob. The Keychron Cusick H Hall Effect 8K polling rate. I almost said motherboard. Keyboard!
Keyboard.
Not motherboard, keyboard.
Cougar.
So, this is apparently a wired-only keyboard, but it has magnetic stuff and linear magnetic switch, ultra fast lime, and I have golden keycaps coming. What do you say to that? Lit. So, we're gonna open it. I don't think my camera can go any further down, but I'll open it as best as I can. But this is the box. Can I? Oh, I'm gonna see. Can I get like a brighter screen in the background? Oh wait, I need to make my camera larger. There. And we'll do that in the back. All right. Now, can I make my like a white screen? Can I get like a flashbang, please? I want a flashbang. That's good enough. That's pretty bright.
Ooh. Very bright. Oh, just a white.
So this is the keyboard. Keychron. It's a Hall Effect thingamabob. Magnetic switches. So, we're gonna look at this thingy. Oh my god, your computer is like already heating up my scissors. Damn. And we're on a timer. We have 15 minutes to do this quick review because Genki Damatsuri is going on right now. Ow, shit. Are you dying?
I don't know. I don't know what's happening. It's probably the t-shirt.
Oh yeah. I can hear the magnetic. It's gonna attract my face. It's gonna kill me because of all the iron I have in me. Ow. Oh, it's like a cover thingy.
Oh.
I can't. I don't want to rip it. 8,000 polling rate. How do I get this thing out? Bruh. Is there a way to, like, or does I just have to pull it? Oh my god, this is dumb. Ow, shit. Ow. Oh my god, that hurts. I can't get it out. Damn, this thing is like in. Is it like, bruh? How do you open this stupid thing?
Ooh, that's sick.
Ow, fuck.
You're good.
It's like taped. I don't want to rip this. It's such a nice casing.
Wait. What the heck? What's going on?
It has like a thing on the edge that I can like pick on. But I don't think I'm supposed to do that because it's just gonna rip it. But, well, it's like glued. Ow. Well, I rip it anyway. Okay, I ripped it anyways. But is there like a better way to open this? Or... I mean, there's this thing down here. Can I get it? It still won't come. Ow. I guess I'm being too forceful.
Oh.
Oh. Whoops. Ooh, look at that K. I love that K design.
Ooh.
Camera focus. Camera focus. I don't care if it's dark out. So it's a box. I got a black box.
Nice.
Nice, dude.
Nice.
All right. Ooh. 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 Open. Open. Ooh. Don't smell the inside of a Keychron box. All right, quick start guide, thingamajig, whatever this is. Yep, key start. Yep. Warranty. Ooh, warranty. Yep, of course it's for Windows and Mac. Ooh, I like foam. Do you like foam?
Yes.
Foam.
I do like foam. Oh.
Okay, we got some guide here. Mac, Windows. Default key layout. Yes. 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 Okay, cool. Yes, replacement stuff. A attachment thingy. Key replacements. I don't plan to use this for Mac, so I'm not gonna need any of that. Oh, yes. More foam. Ooh. Ooh. More foam. $8K polling rate. Oh my god. Would you look at that? Speedy fast.
No.
Lightning McQueen speed. I am speed.
I am speed.
I am speed.
I show speed.
What?
I show speed.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna close the box nice and gentle. Keychron. Now, yeah. These are, well, in my opinion, well known to be some of the thoughtiest keyboards on the market. Let it just slide out. Oh my god.
Ooh. Hoovers.
Oh my god. Do a sniff test?
Huh.
Smells just like the cardboard. The cardboard. Disgusting, but it sounds good. Oh yeah, look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now let me pause the music. Shift, enter key. Shift key. Space. Regular keys. I'm gonna
Boss.
Oh my god, man, this thing is pretty. I love the contrast with the default keycaps, but we got gold coming. You know why? Because my computer has gold fittings. It only matches. And you know what the title of the keycaps title is called Golden Casino.
Ooh.
We love Gamba.
We do love Gamba over here.
We love Gamba. We love Gamba over here.
I can confirm.
Oh my god. So it has why what? Wait. What is this? So it has Windows and Mac here. But then it has like symbols of 1, 2, and 3. What does that mean? Also, quick question. Why is it defaulted to Windows? Maybe it got knocked around in shipping, but it's defaulted to Windows here for the keyboard layout. but the keys that come in place are Mac. Why is that? Why is that?
I'm dominating. I'm dominating this Gilmore, baby.
All right, so switch this out. So basically, my review so far: 10 out of 10. Oh yes. So now, this is gonna be my work. This is gonna be my work setup.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm too busy.
You're too busy
I'm
dominating.
on like a 10 kill streak. Like seriously, it's PvP.
Oh, it's PvP.
Yeah. Destroying these guys in PvP.
Put my box away. But so far, packaging 10 out of 10. Smell test 10 out of. That's the key thing. It's the smell test. I'm looking at my OBS and my camera's over there. Smell test is 10 out of 10, 100%. Would smell again to puke again.
Huh.
Oh my god, go away.
Would smell again.
Would smell again to puke again. All right. Oh my god. Come here. Come here and listen. Come here and listen. Come here and listen. Listen to this keyboard.
Poggers?
Poggers, baby. Okay. I'm gonna bust. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so good. It feels amazing. It is. So if I was to compare, my fingers cut again. It's dry here. We have like really no humidity,
Yeah.
and my fingers are cracking. Now, how would I rate the sound? So my previous keyboard that I'm using is a Keychron Q6 Max. Default, not default, what? No. So this is the sound of it, this one. Granted, I have been using this for a while. So, I mean, basically they're the same. But this one is nice because it has Windows and Mac, just like the other one. But this has Bluetooth, wireless, and wired. So this one is good for travel. Like I use travel. If you want one for travel, you'd get the smaller version, like the 75% without the keypad here. But I like this for convenience, mostly. It's very convenient, and I can like map a lot of these keys if I want. I don't need to keep these as is, and I like mapping them. But I like full size; they just to me look better. But if I was to say like this one is really nice for like traveler when you're moving around carrying a lighter keyboard. I mean, get the 75% of this, not like the full one. Like if I was to say if you wanted two keyboards, get like the 75%, cut all the rest of this off so it's just this part, because this one is wireless, Bluetooth, and connected. But then this one at 100% is nice because you're not going to move this. It's going to stay at your setup because it's wired. But this is something I would like take to work and I'd keep at work instead of having to take this in its case everywhere all the time. So like this could be when I travel or when I need to have this because it's wired. I don't need to charge it. Just keep the wired for when I want to charge it. But this one, really good for home setup. So yeah, that's what I would say from my just looking at it and reading through it. But but sounds very nice, very thocky. There's just enough pressure, like when you push, like compared to regular Cherry profile keyboards, when you press on them, it's very like there's like no feedback. So that's like my main issue with Cherry keyboards, like mechanical keyboards, I guess you could say. But when it comes to the linear, not linear. It's no, these are linear. No, this is a linear keyboard. They have more feedback when you push on the key. It's like it's harder to push down, so you get a little bit of feedback. But it's really up to
I like
you.
the black.
Huh?
Very nice.
It's black and purple.
Kind of looks like a normal keyboard from afar, though. It's nice.
The advantage of this one though is that it has 8K polling rate, which means it's very fast, and you can customize the switch activation on how deep you press.
Yeah.
So that's really nice.
Yeah.
But I think it's really cool. I like it. I like it a lot better because of the Hall effect and the magnetic switches rather than the mechanical switcheroos. So, would I recommend it? What do you think? 10 out of 10.
Yes, sir.
Easily. Best keyboard brand I've ever used. Happy
Keychron.
one of my friends introduced me to it.
Who?
Victor.
Oh.
Not a different one. There's two. But very happy that he introduced me to this because this brand is by far the best bang for buck that you'll ever get from a keyboard brand. Keychron, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm not. Of course I'm not. Because no one's going to watch this video. It's just going to be out there.
Unless.
It's just going to hey, unless. I know, right? Who knows? Maybe... How long would you say, based on my personal project, how long would you say before people like start seeing stuff that I make? Like a year, 2 years? 2 years?
10 years.
2028?
9 years.
If it's 2026, let's say 2028. I'm saying 2028. If you're here watching this in 2020, I don't know who the hell would watch this in 2028. There's probably new keyboards until who knows. We're gonna have like quantum keyboards, right?
Yeah.
Quantum computers, quantum keyboards. Who cares? But if you're watching this in 2028, highly recommend the Keychron Q6 HE 8K 100% linear black and purple keyboard. Yes. Get it. It's awesome. I love Keychron. Not sponsored, by the way. What?
Not sponsored?
No, I'm not. Sadly, no.
I love Keychron. I'm not sponsored.
No, I love Keychron, but I'm not sponsored.
Sad.
I mean, like I said, no one's watching the video, right?
That's true.
So this is just gonna be up there for no one. Like no one's gonna watch this. But anyway, I love it. Back to Genki Damatsuri.
Huh.